Hi everyone, this is Ziad from the Tech channel and welcome back to this new video. Today I will be talking about how you can connect AirPods to your Android. This is, by the way, Google Pixel 6. You can go and check the unboxing for it, and there will be also a full review for it with a lot of details. So we are just going directly to Bluetooth. So you need, of course, to press here, pair new phone, and press, of course, on this. As you see here, the device is just show up on my screen. I can just tell and pair, and now it's active, so I can use it. But you need to be aware that not all the features of this AirPod gonna be working on or as effective as it when it's work with Apple a product. So there will be when you just take your AirPods usually from your ear, so the music will stop. But here with this system, it's not gonna stop. So you just need to know about this one. Thanks a lot for watching. Please, if you like this video, share, like, subscribe, and I will see you, of course, in a new video. Peace.